Hello guys, welcome to Top Hub Review. This is your guy Johnson Kevin here today on this video episode, guys. So if you're new to my channel, please support my channel by subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos like this. So guys, without taking much of your time, guys, I want to show you what happens here today. So you can see that this is stake. We are on stake right here, guys, and I just want to show you, take you around, show you what we've done so far. So for the 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks we've been working on stake. I want to take you through the account and show you what we've been doing so far. So from my statistics today, guys, boom, you know what we do? We've traded 5,967 total of bets. Then we've also got 4,381. We've also got numbers of losses, 1,567. So we've wagered over the money we've used to play games, the total money we've spent for playing games this month. Let me see. Yeah, this month, of course. Yeah, this month, the total money we've spent on playing game this month is $1,028. That is what we spent playing games this month. So where did I get $1,028 to play games, guys? But that is the turnover, the total money we've used to play games, because I'm always on profit, pushing it. So I'm not working here 247. I also work on Sporty. So let me show you my Sporty, guys. Let me show you my Sporty. So let's go direct over to Sporty without taking much of your time, guys. Where is my, okay, this is my Sporty here. So let me show you. We'll have more other sites that I'm going to show you, but I can't be able to show you all here on this video. So let me show you my Sporty. So okay, I won 41 naira, guys. That's funny. So actually, today we made money today on Sporty. That's about 3K very early. I woke up, I spent more time. Sleepless night. I play instant virtual here. So let me show you what I did today. More time on my gaming, trading platforms, and we do this professionally. We don't just gamble. We're professional traders here. You understand? So we trade on games. We don't do like learners here. So let me show you what I got today. So so you see what happens here. I won 33,000 today. Today is 17. You guys can see it yourself. So you can see how much I've spent. You can see how much I've earned. This is money I've spent, and this is money I've gotten there. So guys, you can see it yourself. You can see, and boom, guess what? I played 10 naira. So guys, for you to get this strategy from me, all you have to do is follow up, subscribe, and watch more videos. And I'm also going to teach you guys how to trade games professionally as a guru. Then you make profit from it comfortably without losses. So guys, to do this and to learn this, you have to follow me up, join my Telegram channel, and do not forget to also subscribe and share my videos. And also, please, I will also appreciate you like this video, thumbs up, and do not forget to make some comments in the comment section below. I really appreciate it. See you on the next video episode. I still remain JKL. Bye bye.